In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication name on Substack in 2025. If you've decided to give your publication a fresh new identity or simply need to update the name, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your Substack homepage. Once there, you'll notice a dashboard drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down. It's your gateway to managing different Substack publications, especially if you have more than one. If you're seeing multiple publications listed, simply select the one whose name you'd like to change. This will ensure that all the subsequent steps apply to the correct publication. After you've selected the appropriate publication, the next step is to dive into the settings. Look for the Settings tab and click on it. It's typically located within the main navigation options, and clicking this will take you to a page with various customization and configuration choices. On this page you'll find a section labeled Basics. Click on Basics. This section is crucial because it contains fundamental aspects of your publication, including your current publication name. Now you're at the stage where you can make the desired change. You'll see a field that displays your current publication name. Click into this field and you can start editing. Think carefully about your new name, make sure it represents the essence of your content, is easy to remember and aligns with your brand. Once you've typed in the new name, take a moment to double check your work for any typos or mistakes. The final step in this process is to click on Save. You'll find the Save button nearby, usually at the bottom of the page or at the top, depending on how your settings screen is laid out. Clicking Save is essential because it's the action that commits your change and updates your publication name on Substack. Once saved, your readers will begin to see your publication under its new name. And that's it! You've successfully changed your publication name on Substack. This whole process, while straightforward, is integral to how your readers identify and engage with your content. Remember, a well-chosen name can enhance your brand and attract the right audience. Always ensure your change aligns with your long-term goals for your publication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in your journey on Substack. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy publishing!